Back for another video. We're going to have a play with the Flaming Coals Texas offset today. Bit of a beef chili. We're going to cook it in the Flaming Coals Dutch oven pot here. Going to be putting in some stuffed capsicums with some rice, the chili in there, bit of cheese on top, and back in the offset to finish off. So we've got our diced chuck beef, we've got our brown onion, red chili, jalapeno, garlic, got to have beans in the chili, we've got our tomato, we've got our stock, and of course our turbo Tex-Mex just to really punch that flavour in there. Alright, let's put this together. Just get a bit of rub over our beef to start with, get some of that flavour just happening already. So we've just drained off our beans, just going to come in here with our 4-bean mix. We'll just start loading up. We'll keep some off to the side, get our balances right. Come in with some black beans, get our tomato, go straight in with that. Alright, come in here with our chuck beef. Our onions, chilies, garlic, jalapeno. Whoa. This time we used the big hole. That is smelling awesome already. Alright, here we go. Oh hey, so we're ready to stuff our capsicums. We've just sort of flattened the bottom off on that, see that? Just got the big knife in there, just so they sit a bit better on the grill, they're not going to rock around. So just sort of giving them a bit of a scrape off there. So we'll just go down that hollow part there, that's where those connecting veins are. Just give it a little relief cut down there. Down there as well, and just wiggle him out of there. Come in with this, come in with the spoon, and just get rid of that white junk in there. And then down the bottom there, we'll just try to get rid of that white stuff without actually breaking through the bottom. And we're going to stuff these puppies. Big heaped tablespoon, get it in there. There we go. Get a bit in there, we'll leave some room for our chili. Just want a bit of a base of rice. Just going to use our skewer, just get a nice old, get it right down in there. We'll come with some mozzarella, just to go in between our rice and our chili. The cheesy goodness. We've got our rice, we've got our mozzarella cheese just stuffed in there. We've gone about sort of halfway. So we're just going to get some of this beautiful chili into this capsicum here. Look at that. Alright, I don't want to overload this, just want to keep it nice and clean. Alright. Coming in now with some cheese just to top this off. We've got our rice about halfway up. We've got our chili filling the rest of it. So we'll just come in here, just get a healthy blob of cheese on top of there, if that's a thing. Sprinkle him on there. And here we go. Alright, let's chop into one of these ones. We'll grab this one with the big cheese, goes them out the front here. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.